Hi, my dear students. You are going to listen the explanation, question answers, and textual exercises of Class 3 English Sandhu textbook, Chapter 1 Colors. Now let us recite. You have a few crayons, red, yellow, and blue, green, purple, and black. I have some too. I need the red, and you need the black. If we share our crayons, we have a full pack. Once again, we'll read. You have a few crayons, red, yellow, and blue, green, purple, and black. I have some too. I need the red, and you need the black. If we share our crayons, we have a full pack. Answer the questions. Write your answers in the given space. How many children are there in the poem? There are two children in the poem. You can see a girl and a boy in this poem, right? Why did the children want to share the crayons? They wanted to share the crayons to fulfill their needs. They need some colors to complete the box. Some colors are missing, so they want to share the crayons. How can the children in the poem have a full pack? They have a full pack after sharing the crayons. Now think and say. The children in the poem shared their crayons. Do you share anything with your friends? What do you share? Yes, I share many things with my friends, like food, snacks, pencil, books, and many more. You have only green, blue, and red crayons. Talk in pairs what you would want to draw. So I have green, blue, and red crayons. What I'll draw? Yes, I can draw green leaf, blue clouds, and red roses using these colors. Now you have blue, green, red, yellow, brown, and orange crayons. What can you draw? Draw here. So you can draw a garden with green color leaves, red color flowers, blue color flowers, right? Then you can draw a park, beach, yellow. You can draw a sun using yellow, brown toys or brown chocolates. You can draw. See, using all these colors, you draw something there in the space provided. Now the fourth exercise. Rearrange the letters to find the hidden colors. Which word you will get by rearranging these letters? Yes, B, L, U, E. We got the color blue. Here, Y, E, L, L, O, W. You'll get the color yellow. Now, G, R, E, E, N, green. P, U, R, P, L, E, purple. And last, B, R, O, W, N, brown. Now let us speak. Say aloud. This is a green crayon. Gr, cr. This is a green crayon. Gr, the sound is gr. Cr, cr. Gr, cr. Green crayon. The word green begins with gr and the word crayon begins with cr. Now say these words aloud. Green, gray, grass, grapes, grandmother, cr, crayon, crab, crane, crow, cradle, dr, draw, drum, dress, drop, dragon, pr, prince, princess, prize, pray, and press it. These are blends. Gr, kr, dr, pr. Form a sentence using each of these words and say it aloud. You can make sentences using these words. This is a green leaf. These crayons are very expensive. Oh, I drew the picture of a garden. Look at the prince. It is very handsome. He is very handsome. Likewise, make small sentences using all these words. Okay. Now, have fun. Here is a fun task for you. Look at the words. Read out the colors, but not the words. You should read the colors. Don't read the words. The word yellow is written in green color. So you should read yellow as green instead of yellow for the first word. I'll give an example. This word is yellow, but in which color the yellow is written? Green color. You should say green. Here you should say red, not blue. Here you should read blue instead of orange. Here you should read yellow, not black. This is blue, not red. This is purple, not green. This is red, not purple. This is black, not yellow. This is green, not red. This is black, not blue. Sorry. This is black, not blue. Correct. Now this is purple, not orange. This is red, not black. Did you get it? Do you have any confusion? Yes. Let us learn. Words used to show actions are called action words. Can you do some actions? Okay, dance, write, read, write. So many actions are there. The word action words are called verbs. What do we call action words? Verbs. Okay. Now let us circle the action words. Carrot. No, carrot is a fruit, not an action. Laugh. Yeah, can you do the action laugh? Yes. So laugh is an action. Can you do the action dance? Yes. So dance is an action word. Can you do leg? No. Leg is not an action word. Okay, sorry. Now eat. Yes, you can eat. Eat is an action word. Cry. Yes, you can do the action cry. Swim. Yeah, you can do the action swim. So swim is also an action word. Potato, no, it's not an action. What is it? It is the name of a vegetable. Sleep, yes, sleep is an action. Play is also an action. Sun, no, you cannot act sun. Sun is an object or a thing, right? No, it is not an action word. Dig, can you dig a hole? Yeah, you are doing the action. So that dig is action word. Jump, yes, it's also an action word. Run is an action word. Book, no, book is not an action, right? Now face, no, face is not an action word. Right? Yes, right is an action word. Cat, no, it's not an action, it's an animal, right? Yes, smile is an action, push is an action. So these are the action words. The circle words are action words. Now can you find the action words in the grid below? Let us see. Walk is written here. Now can you find any action words here in this grid? Yeah, it will take little time, but you find the action words. Okay, you will find the yawn. This is WAYAWN, yawn. Then find pour. Where is POUR? Yeah, this is here. Very good. Now cough. COUGH. Where is C? C, C, C comes here. Yeah, COUGH. We got the action word. Now give. Yeah, it's here. GIVE. Give. Now see. Yeah, it is here. Look at here. This is the action word. Now open. Where is O? Open. O, yes, but P is not seen here. Where is O? Find it, find it. It's very easy, but sometimes may take little time. Open, yeah, got it. OPEN. Yes, very good. Now the last word is help. Yeah, H is here. HELP. Help. Very good. We found all the action words in this grade. Right. Now there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, can we make sentences using these letters? A. Anu eats an apple. B. Basu has a bat and a ball. C. Chandu likes cabbage and carrots. Dinesh dances day and night. Isha enjoys elephant. Look at the sound E. So we will look at the sound also. Okay. Anu, A, apple. B, basu, bat and ball. Chandu, cabbage, carrot. D, D sound. Dinesh dances day. Isha, enjoys elephant. F, fires, feeds fish. G, Govind goes to get guavas. H, Hari helps Hemant. I like ice cream. Jack just jumps down. Kavita keeps the kittens on her knees. Lata loves lemonade. Madhav mixes milk and mango pulp. Navneet writes his name on the new notebooks. O. Om opens a box of oranges. Prema puts a pencil in her pocket. Q. Q up quietly. Q. Quietly. R. Radha rolls the red ribbon. S. Six sparrows sit on a sack. The teacher tells a tale. Usha uses an umbrella. Vishnu visits a village in a van. We see a watchman wear the white wall. X is the last letter in ox, fox, and box. Y. Yasmin and Yana are friends. Last letter Z. Zebras graze in the zoo. Now, let us arrange some words in alphabetical order. Look at the words. Which letter comes first in this? Apple, right? A. A comes first, banana comes next, then cherry comes next, then grapes comes next, and orange comes the last. Right. Apple, banana, cherry, grapes, and orange. This is arranged in the alphabetical order. Can you arrange these words in the alphabetical order? Among this, B comes first, blue. Then comes the G letter, green. Then in the alphabet, P comes next, purple, then comes red, and last what comes? Yellow. So you should be able to answer. And the clue is given here. Without clue also you can do it. You all have friends, don't you? Like you, words also have friends. Look at these words. Match each word with its friend word. Write the new words in the space given. The picture clue will help you. Okay. So listen. This rain had a friend. Who is that? Yeah, bow. And you got the word rainbow, right? Likewise, look at this word paper. And clue is also there. Who is the friend of paper? Yes, news is the friend of paper, and you'll get the word newspaper. Using two words, you got the new word. Now look at here. This is ball. Who is the friend of ball? Yeah, basket. So you got the word basketball. Then worm. Who is a friend of worm? Earthworm. So you got the word earthworm. These words are, we get got these words by joining two words, right? These words are called compound words. What is called? Compound words. All right, compound words. Clear? Very good. Now we have completed this chapter, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And you have to see, watch, subscribe this channel for more lessons like this. Okay, we'll see you in the next chapter. Bye.